Hey, what up, decisive marketers? And in today's video, I have something really great for you agency owners or freelancers who are watching this video right now. What this tool does is it allows you to manage your clients and manage the projects of these clients, and you can put in the budget of each project and calculate the time that you spend on these projects itself, and you will then be able to manage your budget, and so that you don't spend more than required time, so that you don't actually go into deficit, right? You're actually making money from your project instead, right? So and this tool allows you to directly send an invoice to your clients as well and get them to make payment. So everything when it comes to managing your clients can be done within Taskbill itself. So as I mentioned, right, this tool is called Taskbill. Okay, and before we get started, be sure to hit that subscribe button if you like to see more digital marketing and e-commerce content. So here we are in Taskbill. Okay, the first thing that you want to do, right, so this is the dashboard right here. You got your recently logged time, your projects, your clients. The first thing that you want to do is to jump into client, and I have already set up a client right here, and this is a project that belongs to this client itself, and we have a task right here. It's called create a project. So whenever you start working on a particular task, you can then hit on the start timer, and it will start to calculate the time that you are spending on your clients, and it will then be able to calculate your your billable hours and your earnings, right? How much you're supposed to invoice the client itself. Okay, so when I stop the timer, then you'll be able to calculate the billable hours and calculate my earnings that I'm supposed to invoice the clients for. You will be able to also add manual time into your project in Taskbill right here. So you can put like 5 hours, and you can put a date, and you can log those hours, and you'll be able to bill them for those hours itself. Okay, right? So so that's how to make use of Taskbill, right? So once you're done with this, then the next thing is pretty much to you can you can check your reports, or you can start invoicing your clients. And we have one invoice right here, which is, let me just look for the one right here. Okay, so this one is the, let me just open this up. Okay, so this one is actually how the invoice looks like. Of course, I've not placed any logos in here. I've not put in the payment methods in here as well. Okay, so you can directly send an invoice to your clients and get them to pay up to you based on your payment method. One thing about Taskbill is that they don't have any payment gateways integrated, so it's just manual payment right now. You just type in the payment method and get your clients to pay you. Okay, and you can look at the customer view. This is how the invoice looks like. Okay, and you can also manage your team. You can invite your team members in here, and you can look at it as a team view, right? So in individual employees, what are they working on, how much time are they spending doing these tasks, right? And lastly would be they have one thing cool about Taskbill is that they have a integration with Asana, Trello, Monday.com, and Basecamp. So when you calculate your hours in these project management tools itself, you will be able to run them through Taskbill and calculate your calculate your hours and invoice your clients. Okay, so that's something that I missed out mentioning earlier. And lastly would be that they have a browser extension as well, so that when you are actually working in your Basecamp or Asana projects, okay, you will be able to calculate the you know your hours as well, right? And pretty much this is Taskbill. It's a very simple tool, but it gets things done, right? So if you need a solution to calculate your hours that you're working on for your clients, if you charge them based on an hourly basis, then this tool would be great for you. Then and also this will be great for agencies as well to manage your team, freelancers who you are serving different clients. This will be great for you as well. So and that's all in this video, right? I hope that this tool itself, Taskbill, would be beneficial to you. If you enjoyed this video, please give me a thumbs up. If you let me know how you feel about Taskbill, and by commenting below. And lastly, if you know anyone who runs an agency or a freelancer and they are not using a sort of a time management tool for invoicing their clients, then be sure to share this video with them, and I'll see you in my next episode.